Hi, I'm Marshall. I'm the owner of Going Gear, and this is the extended review of the Sunwayman V25C flashlight. So here's the Sunwayman V25C, some notes on here. So it's powered by either two CR123 or one 18650 batteries. It'll go from 780 lumens all the way down to 0.1 lumens. With that rotary ring, you can get anywhere in between there as well. And 112 meters of beam distance. And as always, you can get the full specs on our site. There's a link down in the description to the product page. Let's go and open it up, show you what you get on the inside. So user manual, definitely worth a read. Talks about care and instructions and all that kind of stuff. Always take a look at that. These modern flashlights can get relatively complicated. Some other information from the company. Accessory stuff that you get. So you have a spare boot cover tail cap in case you ever happen to need to replace that. You have a lanyard, spare O-rings in case you ever need those. So here is the light itself. Let's zoom in and take a look. Pretty cool styling on this. I really like the styling on Sunwayman lights. They make some just attractive looking lights. Relatively simple, but they put some nice aesthetic touches that make them look nice. So here's the ring that controls the output. You just turn it. It'll cycle through your different outputs. And you'll notice it just keeps on spinning. So it's not like the ones that have the detents from Sunwayman and other companies, where it stops when you get to a certain place. You can just spin this all the way around. Kind of a neat feature. Switch there on the end. Cree XML2 LED. You can see it's a lightly orange peeled reflector, so to give you a nice, smooth, clean, even beam. Let's go and open it up. Put a battery inside. Powered by two CR123s or one 18650. If you're going to be using the light a lot, we always recommend 18650s, and some of our best 18650s are these Olight 3400 milliamp hour 18650s. Really good batteries. They just came in. We really like them. A little bit less expensive than everybody else's, and really high quality. If you're going to be storing the light, like if you're not going to be using it for long periods of time in an emergency kit or your truck or something like that, then use CR123s because they have amazing shelf life, about a 10-year shelf life on your high quality batteries. But if you're going to be using it on a regular basis, definitely get an 18650. It'll save you money in the long run. So got that battery in there. Let's go ahead and put the tail cap on, and we'll show you the operation of this thing. Tighten that all the way down. Alright, so lightly press that tail cap. You get momentary, click it all the way for constant on, and then just to adjust your output, you turn the ring. And you can see it goes down super, super low, and you turn it, and it'll crank it up, and you'll keep on going around. So you have that infinitely variable output. Kind of a neat feature. Pretty simple interface. You know, it's not going to take me very long to talk about it because that's it. You turn the ring and you get different outputs, and then you have the momentary on the switch. So I always do the quick little overview. We'll do that again, even though it took me about 10 seconds to explain the interface. Lightly press for momentary, click it all the way for constant on, turn the ring when you want to adjust the output. That's it. Alright, so Sunwayman V25C. Let's take this outside. We'll show you how it does outside. Alright, we're outside with that Sunwayman V25C. Got the big 40 mag light that I always use as a baseline, since pretty much everybody's familiar with how it performs. Go try out that mag light first. There is a tree 25 feet away, dockhouse down there on the lake about 100 feet away. Let's go ahead and try out the V25C, see how it does. Obviously a whole lot more light coming out of it, more expensive light, more modern technology and everything. But people always ask, you know, what do I get when I upgrade from my mag light? And here you go, pretty good example of that. So just so you can see, it really is that little guy putting out all those lumens. Nice beam on it. See 100 feet away, the dockhouse is lit up really, really well. But you have a usable amount of spill still for sure. And looking at the monitor, it looks kind of blue tint and is not quite that blue. We'll turn the ring just so you can see the different outputs. You can see that nice gradual change that you can get. So you've got all the different variability in it, so you can dial it in to be exactly how you want it. Pretty cool feature they have on there. Okay, so we have a little bit more space to work with. Let's go ahead and try this out at a longer distance. Okay, got some more distance to work with the Sunwayman V25C. Let's go and give it a try. So that boat is out there at about 20 feet away. Got a couple targets set up, same ones I use for the long distance comparison videos. So the first one is out there at 50 yards, second one is at 100 yards, and then the tree line beyond is at about 130 yards away. You can see all that stuff is lit up pretty well. Not too bad for a compact little light. Pretty cool feature set on that. You got the rotating ring, the 360-degree rotating ring that I don't know of any other flashlights on the market with it. This is kind of a neat thing to have on your light. Unique feature for sure. We'll kind of shine it around and we'll cycle through or rotate through the different outputs just so you can see how easily you can dial it in to exactly where you want it to be. Okay, so there you go. That is the Sunwayman V25C. If you like it, you can buy it from us at goinggear.com. Any questions or comments, you can reach me in the comments or any of my guys at goinggear.com. And that's it. Thanks for watching.